If you have bought a new phone and lost your previous contact numbers, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to tell you about a method to restore deleted contacts. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. First, you have to open Settings, then scroll down and open Google section. Wait for the options to load. Here, tap on All Services. After this, scroll down again and find Restore Contact option. When you tap on it, this type of interface appears. You have to tap on blue Restore button. Now put password of your phone, and after this, your contacts will restore to your device. The date to which contacts are backed up will be restored to device. So by this way, you can easily restore contacts into your phone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.